where communication is direct, no intermediaries, where everyone can be seen. So now I would like to call Kuldeep up on stage.
Yep. So quickly, we'll tell you what exactly this app is all about. This app actually brings in the entire world of Disha Patani together in one place. Anything, any news about Disha Patani you want to know, whether it's exclusive pictures, videos, exclusive content, behind the scene content, whatever you want to know about Disha, you'll find everything under this app. Very interesting, fun, interactive app. Where she'll have opportunity to interact with her fans one-on-one through this app. We'll have a lot of interesting contest activities in the app where fans can participate, with a lot of interesting gratifications, and Disha will stay connected with fans one-on-one.
Yeah, so the format that we have of the app is now raging in the West, and we've brought that into India and Asia. I mean, something like a fan being able to rank themselves as the number one or number two fan, and the ability of Disha to see if who the top fans are is something which is unique about this. And of course, all the social handles, everything that is part of Disha's world is going to be in the app. For us, it's a very exciting thing to partner with Disha because and she's one of the most engaged social media celebrities, apart from being a celebrity in the Bollywood. So, over to you, Disha.
Thank you so much. So kind. Actually, it's a pleasure for me to be a part of this beautiful app. I always talk to all my fans on Insta. And I have many groups actually in Insta where you have these young kids who are like 16, 17, and they're talking to me about their exams, they're talking to me about their life and how they're struggling, the teenage. So for me, it's such a brilliant thing that I'm getting a platform where I can actually talk to them one-on-one, because sometimes it's difficult. These websites like Insta or Facebook doesn't allow me to go onto that level because you have so many pages, you have so many people on Insta. So sometimes it's really you don't actually realize who are the important ones and who are actually your real fans. So it's giving me a platform. It's going to be much more private. And I'm also going to be uploading all the exclusive pictures and videos and behind the scenes. So that's going to be fun. We also have a lot of cool contests. So, like through contests, we can also make sure these are the top 3 ranking fans. And I would love to meet them as well. So we have a lot of cool concept, and I'm really excited, and I'm very happy that I'm a part of it, and I'm actually doing something like this because this would give me a closer reach to my fans and actually friends. I don't want to call them fans, friends. So yeah, if I am launching an app, मेरे पे बहुत responsibility है that I have to make sure that I talk to them, because what's the motive of the app? If I can't take out time for people who are actually loving me so much and giving me so much love, then it won't work. End of the day, it's all about interaction and knowing those people who love you so much and support you. So I think it depends from person to person, how much time you give, how much love you give, you'll get it back. So let's see.
And to answer your question, an app is not supposed to be a one-way street. It is not कि हमने कुछ बोला and that's about it. App should have the opportunity to interact with the fans. So if anything has not worked, it's because it's been a one-way street. We've done I mean over 70 apps now, not just in US but in South America and India as well. Every single app has been successful because we've cracked that model of how people interact with their favorite artist, and that is the key. If you are interacting, it will work. But if you keep it as an information kind of an app that I'm only going to provide information, it will not work. Certainly will not work.
आप जैसे देखिए, आप अगर दिशा को 5000 मैसेज भेजें और आपको एक भी रिप्लाई ना आए तो आपको कैसे लगे? वो ही ऐप में नहीं होगा. आप मैसेज भेजेंगे, आप इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, आपके मैसेजेस वो देखेंगे, देख पाएंगे. जब आप टॉप फैन बनेंगे, she will reply to you. So that's the engagement which you will find on this app, which is not there on apps which you say are successful.
Disha, digital world is booming these days.
Hi.
Right? Hi. So digital world is booming these days. So tell us something about the differences about your app. How different is your app? And apart that Alia has launched a game and you have been launching an app today yourself. So
I just saw it. Looks cool. I feel we have a lot of contests that I don't know that other apps had. Will you agree?
No, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we have a lot of contests, and through contests you can always come to know that who's your biggest fan, and you can also send them merchandise. You can also send them gifts which are personalized, and I can also meet them, which is a cool thing because you can throw a contest, but what you see on Insta or Facebook, you don't have these kind of things where you can actually meet your fans. So through the contest, if you win the contest, if you're actually a real fan, you can actually also meet me, and I would love to do that because I would like to know how these people are, how these kids are, and I think the only time मैं जब nervous या डरती हूँ जब मैं खुद कुछ लिख रही होती हूँ. I have to always make sure कि कुछ गलत ना बोल दूँ because sometimes what I want to say is different from what I write. Like एक confusion हो जाता है, लोग misunderstanding हो जाती है. So I think that's the only time when I'm scared. But otherwise, it doesn't matter to me. I think India has the freedom of speech. So, see, anybody's idea is not the fact. If I'm writing down something and this is my idea or this is my imagination, it won't be a fact. So if I start taking it so seriously that, okay, this person thinks like that of me or whatever, and if I take it as a fact that this is me, and I take it as a reality that whatever this person is saying about me is me, but it's not the fact. So it's fine. I do respect everyone who have opinions about me. That's fine, but it doesn't affect me because I know that's not the fact because people might not know me so like personally. So that's okay.
Disha, this is Priyanka.
Hi.
Congratulations for the app.
Thank you so much.
We've been reading that you and Sara Ali Khan are in the race for the lead role opposite Tiger in Student of the Year 2.
Yeah.
So, and Puneet is quite keen on having you. So, what do you have to say on that?
I'm also reading these news. I don't know. I've been reading and like, I don't know. It's very weird for me because even I don't know. So
आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं.
Thank you
आपको
so much,
लोग
आप भी.
इतना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, फैशन आइकॉन आप मानी जाती हैं. दो सवाल है मेरे. पहला सवाल ये कि पिछले 50 इयर्स में जिस तरह से फैशन बदला है उसे आप कैसे देखती हैं, और दूसरा सवाल है पिछले 50 इयर्स में सिनेमा कैसे बदला है उसे कैसे देखती हैं. दोनों हिंदी
ओके, आपका पहला सवाल.
हिंदी में.
जी, फ़ैशन की बहुत नॉलेज नहीं है मुझे. बस वही पहनना पसंद करती हूँ जिसमें मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस फील होता है. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता फैशन ट्रेंड्स क्या होते हैं, क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. बिज़ी रहती हूँ अपनी चीज़ों में. नाइस सॉन्ग. बिज़ी रहती हूँ अपनी चीज़ों में. तो मुझे ऑनेस्टली अगर आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि आप फैशन आइकॉन और डीवा, आई एक्चुअली डोंट टेक इट. आई फील मेरे स्टाइलिस्ट सारी मेहनत करती है, मैं बस कपड़े पहन के आ जाती हूँ बाल बना के. तो आई फील वो चेंज होता रहता है फैशन का. कभी स्किनी पसंद आते लोगों को, कभी दे लाइक कर्व्स, कभी इट कीप्स चेंजिंग. आई फील कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग जो फैशन होता है वही फॉलो करना चाहिए, जिसमें आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो और आप कंफर्टेबल हो, जिसमें आप कूल फील करते हो. आई थिंक दैट्स फैशन फॉर मी. एंड सिनेमा काफ़ी चेंज हो गया है, स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन. आई फील काफ़ी लड़कियों को भी इम्पोर्टेंस दी जा रही है एंड कहानी का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग हिस्सा बनते जा रही है जो पहले नहीं था इतना. तो ये चीज़ें काफ़ी देखने को मिल रही हैं एंड आई होप कि आगे जाकर ये और बढ़ता जाए एंड हम भी एक इक्वल पार्ट ऑफ द सिनेमा रहे. थैंक यू.
Disha? Hi. Here.
Hi.
Nati from 9X Media.
Hi.
So I wanted to ask, since you're a public figure and you're a celebrity, and you can see that there are cases that, when a celebrity shares everything, almost everything on social media, there's also the cause that there are stalkers. So how is this app preventing you from those stalkers? Because then you never know, I'm a fan, but I'm also a stalker. I'm getting the benefit.
I'm so sorry. If you're a fan, you're a stalker. That's the thing.
Yeah.
If I like
isn't
someone,
it
I'll
an
stalk that
easy
person.
access?
See, it depends. There's always a fine line between your personal life and a fine line between your professional line. So I'm not breaking that line. Okay, I'm going to be super friendly and I'm going to be expressing, but there's always going to be this fine line for my private life, which I'm not going to expose because I feel your private or personal life should stay private or personal. So I think अगर जब तक मैं उनको उस जगह में रीच नहीं दूंगी तो it's safe. Otherwise, who knows? Like you can never expect all these things.
दिशा, एक न्यूज़ आई थी कि यहाँ पर
हाँ।
एक न्यूज़ आई थी कि आप मुन्ना माइकल में एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग कर रही हैं. टाइगर ने
मैंने भी
आपको
पढ़ा.
अप्रोच किया है.
हर चीज़ मैं पढ़ती हूँ मुझे कोई बताता नहीं है.
तो क्या आपको ऑफर आया है, आप कर रही हैं?
मैंने अभी मुझे पता चला जब आपने बताया है. तो I'm waiting for someone to call me.
With that-
Only this can.